Fixing setup issues with the fingerprint reader on HP Notebook PCs, Windows 10. If you are unable to set up the fingerprint reader on your HP Notebook PC with Windows 10, follow these steps to set it up. From your Windows desktop, search for and open Sign-In Options. In Sign-In Options, under Windows Hello Fingerprint, if you see the Setup option, click on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your fingerprint reader. If in Sign-In Options under Windows Hello Fingerprint you do not see the Setup button, continue to the next step. From your Windows desktop, search for and open Device Manager. Click on the arrow next to Biometric Devices to see all devices connected to your computer. Check if the fingerprint reader is listed among the devices. If you do not see the fingerprint reader, click the arrow next to Other Devices. All unrecognized devices connected to your notebook are listed. Check if you can now see the fingerprint reader in this category. If you still do not see the fingerprint reader in Device Manager, contact HP Customer Support.